Well, good morning guys, welcome to part 3 of the 30-day Deliveroo scrap metal challenge. This video is about days 7, 8, 9 and 10, so over 4 days. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, then in a nutshell, I work for Deliveroo. I also collect scrap metal in my spare time in between jobs. So I've set myself a challenge for 30 days to try and collect as much scrap metal as I can. That's non-ferrous metals, of course, not ferrous metals. I don't have a big truck, so I can't carry a large amounts of metal. So I just collect the non-ferrous metals, copper, brass, lead, wire, all that sort of thing. So yeah, I mean, I'll leave a description below. Sorry, I'll leave a link below in the description of the previous videos I've done. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, you can go back and watch them. Just hear how we're getting on. So we've done really well. I mean, we've done 6 days to challenge now, and we've collected quite a lot of metal. So without any further ado guys, let's get out there and get some more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos when they come out in the future. Well guys, I just found this bathroom rip out here. I've just asked the builder if I can have the taps and he's given me permission, so that's great. So we've got a couple of brass taps here. I believe this bit here is brass as well, and also we have a sink here with a couple of taps on as well, so that's brass, so that's a very good find. So I'll be taking them off now and put them in the car. So guys, I've just come across these two very beautiful crystal chandeliers. I really don't know if they're any good or not, but I guess these bits, this bit hangs underneath here or somewhere. But, yeah, I mean, it's not what we're looking for, but I think I can sell these, so I think I'll put them in the car. Oh, well, if we can't sell them, I might put them up in my house as well, yeah, instead. So guys, what you see here is a discarded car battery, but I don't see that. What I see is £5, because the price of lead has gone really sky high at the moment, and every car battery I take to the scrapyard is about £5 in UK money. So yeah, great find. So a little tip for you here guys, whenever you see a box like this that has a picture of a microwave on it, 9 times out of 10 there will actually be a microwave in the box, and that's because they obviously buy a new one and put the old one in the box and then throw it away. So always check microwave boxes. So let's just see if I'm right. Actually, I'm probably completely wrong. It's probably not going to have anything in it now, but, oh no, I can see already it's got one in there. So there you go, a microwave. Perfect, I'll stick that in the car now. There you go guys, I spy another PC computer. I'll be grabbing that one, that's more gold. That's providing it hasn't already been taken off, but it looks like to me. Yep, perfect. Stick that one in the car. Well, I've hit the jackpot here guys. 2 combi boilers been chucked away. Absolutely amazing. Loaded with copper, loaded with brass. Sticking that in the car without a doubt. Oh, that really is a great find. You can see there's lots of brass, lots of copper on these. I'm going to really enjoy stripping them down. Nice TV here. Aren't we doing well today? Well guys, I've just completed my 7th job with Deliveroo, which I got paid, I think it was £4.50 for the job. I've just discovered another car battery, which is great. This is quite a large one, so this is going to be worth £5 or £6, say £5. So add that to the job I've just done. I've just earned £9.50 for the job. That's the way I'm looking at it, guys. Okay, before we get out there and find some more, I just wanted to quickly remind you about the competition that I'm running at the moment. If you remember, on day 1 of the challenge, we found this piece of lead piping, and the competition is quite easy. All you've got to do is like and subscribe to my channel, and then comment below how much you think the scrapyard is going to give me in pounds and pence for this piece of lead piping. It's very easy competition, guys, and you can win 20% of everything I earn in over the 30-day challenge. So, you know, it could end up being quite a bit of money. So, you know, very easy. Just comment below. Very easy. Okay, guys, let's get out there and get some more metal. I spy a microwave. Let's have that one. Thank you very much. I'll be taking that one, put it in the car. Well, there you go, guys. Here's another battery. Absolutely amazing. That's 3 car batteries now in as many days. That's a really big one as well. That one is going to be worth at least, I don't know, £6 or £7. It's a very big, large, heavy one. So that's great find. Perfect. Well, I don't believe this, guys. Not 10 minutes later, another car battery and a microwave. I just can't believe what is going on with car batteries at the moment. They just seem to be everywhere. The only thing I can think of is just the end of this winter now. It's been a very cold winter, so everybody's battery has been dying and they've replaced them. So anyway, great find. On to the next one. Well, I genuinely have hit the jackpot, guys. The other day when I picked up those 2 boilers, I left them my mobile number, and I asked them if they would text me if they had any more boilers. They texted me this morning, and here we are. I've got 2 more boilers, so that's absolutely amazing. I mean, it seems they're a business that is constantly ripping out these boilers and replacing them with new ones, some kind of government scheme. So they're going to text me every time they got old boilers. So this is great news for me. So we've now completed 4 days of collecting. I'm about to process it all. It's my day off today, so I spent all day pretty much stripping all those boilers down. I think all four of them. Jackpot. So I'll be stripping them all down now, and then I'll show you at the end what we've collected in brass, copper, etc. wire. And hopefully it'll be a nice amount, and then we'll add that to what we've already collected. So let's go do that. So guys, I've stripped everything down now, and all the ferrous metals have now gone off to be recycled, and what we're left with is all the non-ferrous metals, which is what we collect. So let's have a little look what we've collected. So we've got our non-stripping wire here, quite a bit, not as much as we normally get, but that's quite good. And this is the wire I'm going to strip. Eventually I'll strip it anyway when I get time, but at the moment just leave it as it is. So we'll add that now to our bag and see how much we've got there. Bag's pretty full now, so I think we need to, it's getting quite heavy as well, I think we need to start a new bag. Well, next we have the radiators, and thank you very much to Nate Allen, one of my subscribers, who very kindly told me what these things were called, radiators. I've been calling them these things the last 2 videos, so thank you, Nate, for that. That's very kind of you. So let's add them in with the others. And you can see there's already a big pile of copper there, so that's going to be worth quite a bit of money. Very pleased with that. Next we have our transformers from the microwaves. So we've got 3 of them this week, 3 microwaves. So let's add the others to them. We now have 6 of these. I've yet to decide whether the windings inside are actually copper yet, but I will get around to it. And I will make a video later to show you how I get the copper out of them. So this is the copper I collected this week. Not very much, but hey, it all mounts up. We'll add that now to the copper we've already collected. So you can see that's coming on nicely now. Copper is my favourite bit of metal actually, so yeah, that's looking nice now. It's starting to get some good weight to it. Wow guys, just look at all the lovely brass we collected this week. Some nice big heavy pieces as well, you know, really nice pieces. Some nice taps, some hinges, you know, we really have done well with brass this week. So let's add that to what we've already collected. Wow, that's looking a lot now, and that's getting really heavy now, so I may have to find another container once that gets about half full. So that's really great. So this is our coloured wire, not a massive amount again, but hey, again, it all still mounts up. So we'll add that now to what we've already collected. You can see I've got the coloured wire and the strip wire all in the same box at the moment until I find some more boxes. There you go, that's starting to mount up as well, so that's good. We've got our CPUs and our RAM, so we can maybe do some gold recovery later, or maybe we'll just sell them on eBay, not sure yet. And finally we have our 4 car batteries, 2 kind of small ones and 1 medium one and 1 very large one. So I don't know what they're worth, probably around about £20–25, so really pleased with them. Well, that's it guys. Didn't we do well? Done very well over 4 days. Yeah, so the next video is going to be about days 11, 12, 13 and 14. So I'll do another 4-day one. 4 days of collecting ahead of me now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button, because obviously if you hit that bell button you'll be notified when my next video goes up. Don't forget to enter the competition. You can enter the competition from any country. It doesn't matter where you are. I'll get the money to you somehow. You know, we can use Western Union, PayPal. You know, we can get that money to you. So thanks for watching, guys. It's been a really exciting 4 days. I've really enjoyed it. I'm going to go and have a shower now. I'm absolutely filthy. I don't want any of you. I'm not going to film that, so I don't want you guys getting all jealous and stuff. Anyway, I'll see you next time, guys, and if you ride for Deliveroo, then ride safe. Take it easy, guys.
Okay.